Live Station. Welcome to Live Station. Hold your busy step. Feel real life. Stop 45 after rain. Several days rain finally stops. I open windows urgently to welcome the visit of sunshine, expiring humidity of these days, and saving some for not using dehumidifier. With electric toll of more than $1,700 being a forester, I feel quite shameful for relying on modern civilization so heavily. The water used on the mountain is spring water, except for the electricity used to pump spring water. The water is endowed by nature, and the mountain spring water is as clean as tap water. As for the drinking water, I drive it back from nearby better spring every time getting down the hill. In the beginning, I plan to load the better spring water once a month and drive back more than 10 buckets a time. Sometime after, I found it tiresome and the water stored too long tended to spoil. It turns out to be that harmful greed rises everywhere. Afterwards, I load only 3 per time as a regular exercise, not tiresome as well as stress-free. In this way, I spare some water buckets and much room. Without avarice, I spare many desires, save much unnecessary spending, as well as avoid falling in the debt of materialism. There is one English word, economy. Many people consider it is something concerning commerce, while it has another important meaning, practicing frugality. Originally, the word economy is composed of 2 parts, the prefix eco and the root nami. Among them, eco means life, and nami stands for law. Hence, the combination of the two means the law of life. The law of life is thrift, that is, using the most economical way to live a life. Therefore, comprehending frugality without luxury and waste is qualified for knowing the way of life. I got the idea all the time that Westerners know the world only by its material appearance. Where on earth do I know Western philosophers have passed their wisdom onto their offspring through letters for thousands of years? Floor-to-ceiling windows, I hurry to spread quilts and blankets on the 3rd floor balcony, as well as on the 10-year-old car in the front yard. The car, covered with quilts and blankets, should become such a beautiful and flirtatious flower car unexpectedly. In such an instant, my boring heart should be so excited and open. That explains it, that just such a little change, so ordinary, will be so marvelous. On earth, much happiness lies in big fame and much profit. Part of the vegetable seedlings, cultivated with dark soil days ago, have already sprung out to see the world. The first are Chinese cabbage and spoon cabbage. These 2 cabbages, along with pak choy, grown up earlier nearby, are so impatient, or hurrying to travel to the forest. Watching the writing process of seedlings, I should find so many changes and surprises out of expectation. I used to observe children grow up quickly as an inch just after a nap. Now, looking at the growing seedlings, I should find there appear so many wondrous splendors every second and every minute. Young lives are so pure and so simple. Why do adults become so multi-minded, so complex, so greedy? Is this the destiny of mankind, or the destiny of all living beings? The war against fleas coming to an end. Though most fleas extinguished, I feel no excitement, as I won't fight against people and the world by moving to the mountain. It seems not perfect enough. The Almighty Creator makes creatures, letting some help each other, while making some forming cruel food chain. With my moving up to the mountain, some Aboriginal inhabitants are repelled or even being annihilated. Is the Creator cruel? I'm really cruel. Competition may be the momentum of development. While is this the very beginning of being ruthless? After the rain, mountains around appear handsome to the extreme, with thin white clouds accompanied by the blue sky out of the mountain. I really love to have a night chat with this beauty, without makeup. I cannot help choosing a stop, as I feel terribly guilty for my evil doings. During the period of fighting against fleas, my long-chain dog Dai appearing a little uncomfortable, touching her head softly, releasing the chain, letting her run wild and crazy. I hope not to be so guilty. Wishing you safe, healthy, and happy. Thank you for your watching and subscription.